So now we're going to show you the features that are available to administrators. Now administrators have all the same features that are available to coaches, plus they have a few extra. So we're just going to cover the extra features that administrators have. So when an administrator accesses the Impact program, they have access to the same lists, active, completed, removed, and withdrawn, that coaches do, except they will see the users that are assigned to them as an administrator. They also have access to the Talk section, just like a coach, and Settings, just like a coach. What's new here is Reports and Requests. So when an administrator accesses the Reports section of the Impact program, they will be able to click these links and download that report. For instance, they can click Text, and this will open up a file, in this case that shows each date that the program was active, the number of text messages sent on that day, and the number of emails sent on that day. And each report varies and shows different information about the program. So most of the time, administrators will access the Request section and it will be blank. However, if someone is attempting to sign up for the program as a coach or administrator, then their information will appear here, and the administrator will be able to approve that individual as a coach or an administrator. Now, one more issue I want to point out is that while administrators have the same features as coaches do, they can do a little bit more with each of those features. So for instance, let's say they access the participant John Smith. They have the same summary information, but if they click Text and say Settings, one of the things they can do is they can actually edit the information here. Coaches can see it, administrators can edit it. Along the same lines, they also have this section Status, where they can change the program start date, they can change who the assigned administrator is or who the assigned coach is. They can also update the intervention status of that study participant. Now along the same lines, administrators can do a little bit more within the forum section. So if they click Talk, they can go here and they can hide a particular topic from the forum, lock it, pin it so it always appears at the top. They can edit the topic heading. They can also delete other people's comments. So if someone gets a little rude or inappropriate on a forum, an administrator has the ability to go in and get rid of those comments. So same features as the coach, there's just a little bit more they can do within each of those sections. And that's it. That's how the Impact program works for administrators.